Why is no a good word in sales? One of the challenges we have as business people is that we generally want to use the word yes a lot, because yes is a statement of going forward and doing something different. But in this video, I'm going to share with you a few reasons why the word no is a great word when it comes to sales and how you should use it to grow your business and get your business targets and sales where you want them to be. My name is James White, I'm a sales trainer and mentor. In this video, I'm going to share some simple thoughts on why the word no is a good thing when it comes to selling. So firstly, the reason no is a good word is because I always say to people that I work with that yes, the word yes is brilliant, but the last thing that we want to hear as salespeople is the word maybe. When you engage in prospecting and someone says to you, thanks very much, but it's not right for me, then actually that's a great word to have, because it means that we can then move forward and look at other prospects rather than wasting our time with the maybes. The maybes are the dangers when it comes to selling. The people that we hope and chase and work with that waste so much of our time, who are really never going to buy because they're just too polite to say it to you in the first place. So don't be afraid to reach out and try and get that no when you're engaging with someone at that prospecting stage. You can even use phrases such as, if this isn't right for you, no worries at all, please tell me, I don't want to waste your time or mine. And what that gives the prospect the opportunity to do is to then say, I don't think it is right, no worries, I really wish you all the best for the future and hope you manage to get this sorted. A no is actually a good thing rather than necessarily getting someone that says maybe or I'll have a think about it when deep down they really mean no. Secondly, the word no is a really good word to use when you're in a conversation with a prospect and people will ask you about all the things you can do and you can offer and deliver in your company, your service. They'll ask you, can you do this and can you do this and can we get it at this price and can we get it at these terms and can we get all these requirements, because they think as a prospect, as the buyer, that they're in control of the process. When you use the word, I'm really sorry we don't do discounts, or I'm really sorry that that's not how we're able to operate, we operate under these elements and that's our company policy. What it does is that if it's done in the right way, in a nice, friendly, engaging way, not only does it make you feel better because you're able to then put yourself back in control of a situation, but it also makes the prospect actually feel that they're working with someone that's got some backbone. When I talk to people and they say to me, oh, can I have a discount? And they say yes to this, say yes. It makes me feel actually, what else will they say in order to win the business? When someone says, no, sorry, that's my price and what I charge, and by the way, tell me more what you're thinking about, why it's, what you need to see to make you think it's worth spending that amount, I know I'm dealing with a sales professional. Being able to say the word no, whether it's to a price objection, to a drop, or to something additional, isn't a bad thing. It puts you in control and it helps the prospect know that they're dealing with someone here that values what they do, who they are, and the impact they can have. That word can make a big difference, can save you a lot of problems, and can help you get the value you want from your business and make sure that you don't go forward and work with a prospect and a client that then you're going to later regret down the line. The other final reason why the word no is such a great word when it comes to selling is because we've been programmed as human beings to want to please people, to want to get things in place to solve issues. And yet, deep down, there's probably some major fears and challenges inside of us all that where we want to say no, we want to say we don't want to do something, but we're afraid of the impact or the response or the reaction that we'll get from someone else. When you're able to say no, it shows that you can be in control of your emotions. People that are needy and that say yes to everything and continually say yeah, and it's okay, and look, being honest, quite desperate, generally aren't people that we want to engage with. We tend to focus and start to, if you like, affirm ourselves to people that have got a bit of character, a bit of backbone, people that are able to say no. And when we're able to say no ourselves and get control of those emotions, it not only makes us feel good, but it also then makes us feel like we're not creating a problem later down the line for ourselves. Being able to control our emotions is one of the most critical aspects from a sales perspective. And of course, when times are tough and when you want business to be brought in, many people have said to me, James, I've had to say yes because I needed the money. I've always said to them though, did you need the complications and the issues and the challenge that will come further down the line? And what could you have done if you'd have said, no, I'm really sorry, but that's not going to work out for me? What would you need to see in order to feel comfortable doing this, this, and this? You're also in a position then to get inside the prospect's head. And when you get inside the prospect's head and really find out why they're uncomfortable at that price point or with that solution, you can get the right result for them and for you. So using the word no when it comes to sales has many good things as well as bad. Yes, of course, we want to win business. We don't want lots of people saying no to us all the time. But if we can understand where the no's come from and learn to say no ourselves in certain situations and deals, we're going to be better off for it. It's going to help us get our real true value, and it's also going to make sure that we don't chase opportunities that are never going to go anywhere. I hope this video's been useful. How often do you use the word no? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Put them in the section below. Or what are the challenges you find in saying the word no to a potential prospect or someone you work with? Let me know so I can support you in getting the right results, helping you deal with that challenge or query in the right way, so that we can focus getting you and your business moving forward, getting the sales results you want that can help you build, grow and achieve the goals and dreams that you have. Why not head over to my sales success test at www.salessuccesstest.co.uk and find out what are the other factors and key critical components of being really successful when it comes to selling on a regular basis. It's not just the word no that we can help you deal with. There are loads of other materials and resources there. Take the test, let's find out what you score and what we can do to help you and your business get brilliant sales results. Thanks for watching the video. My name's James White, sales trainer and mentor. If you love the video, please like, subscribe, share the channel, share it with other friends and business owners that you know, and let's also help them get brilliant sales results and learn to thrive, not just survive in the coming months.